Welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe. 10 psychological reasons people ignore you and how to fix it. Close your eyes, take a breath. What if the reason people ignore you is not what you think? Not because you are boring, not because you are unimportant, but because of subtle signals you do not even notice. Signals that quietly tell people, do not engage, and the hardest part, you might be doing them every single day. Today, we are breaking down 10 psychological reasons, the kind that happen quietly, again and again, often unnoticed, and more importantly, how to fix them. Stay until the end, because reason number 10 is the one most people never see. Let's begin. Reason 1. You lack emotional presence when you talk to someone. Are you fully there or distracted? Thinking ahead, checking your phone, waiting to speak. People feel this instantly. When your attention is divided, your presence disappears. And when your presence disappears, so does their interest. How to fix it? Slow down. Make eye contact. Listen fully, because to them it matters. Reason 2. You try too hard to be liked. It sounds backwards, but it is real. When you over-agree, over-smile, over-explain, people sense it, and instead of liking you more, they lose respect because authenticity always beats approval. How to fix it? Stop trying to win people over. Be honest, even when it feels uncomfortable. Respect follows authenticity. Reason 3. Your energy feels low. People do not just hear words, they feel energy. If your tone is flat, your posture is closed, your voice has no variation, people disconnect, not on purpose, but automatically. How to fix it? Lift your tone slightly, open your body, add variation to your voice. Energy spreads. Give people something to feel. Reason 4. You talk, but do not connect. You may say the right things, but without emotion, it does not land. Facts do not hold attention, feelings do. How to fix it? Share experiences, use simple stories, relate to emotions. Connection comes from feeling. Reason 5. You interrupt or do not pause. Conversation has rhythm. If you interrupt, people feel unheard. If you never pause, they feel overwhelmed. Either way, they pull back. How to fix it? Let silence exist. Pause after speaking. Invite others in. Good communication is shared space. Reason 6. You seem unavailable. This is subtle but powerful. If your body turns away, your responses are short, your eye contact is weak, people assume you are not interested, even when you are. How to fix it? Face people fully. Respond with intention. Show engagement. Interest must be seen. Reason 7. You over-explain too many details, too many repeats, too much justification. People tune out because it signals uncertainty, and uncertainty weakens your presence. How to fix it? Say less, but mean more. Clarity is stronger than quantity. Reason 8. You do not make people feel important. This is a big one. People remember feelings. If they do not feel seen, heard, or valued, they disengage. How to fix it? Use their name. Acknowledge their thoughts. Show real curiosity. Make it about them. Reason 9. You rely on words instead of signals. Most communication is not words. Your tone, your timing, your expressions say more than your sentences. If they do not match, people trust the signals. How to fix it? Align your body language, slow your speech, be intentional. What you show matters more. Reason 10. You do not believe you are worth listening to. This is the hidden one. If deep down you feel your voice does not matter, people sense it through small signals. Hesitation, tone shifts, lack of conviction, and they respond to it. How to fix it? Start by valuing your voice. Speak with intention. Own your words. Stop apologizing for existing, because the moment you believe you are worth listening to, others will too. Now pause. If you have ever felt ignored, overlooked, invisible, it is not random, it is patterns, signals, habits, and the powerful part. You can change them, not by becoming someone else, but by becoming more aware, more intentional, more present, because attention is not demanded, it is earned through how you show up. Stay here. Think again. That was excellent. Please like and subscribe for daily lessons. See you next time.